I'm sure you have heard of the word law of attraction, manifestation, and visualization. And I'm also sure that you have also read this book, The Secret, or probably heard about it, or you have also seen the movie. But many of you are not able to understand what this law of attraction is all about. How can we actually use this technique to be successful in life? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can actually use this technique of called law of attraction so that we can be successful in life and we can achieve whatever things that we actually want in our life. So in this video, I'm going to talk about very basic techniques of law of attraction so that each and every person out there can understand what actually this law of attraction is. And believe me, this information will help you out in becoming a better person. So before starting this video, I just request you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that the next time when I'm going to upload the new video, you will get notified. Watch this video till the end because this will help you out in understanding this amazing technique that will, I can assure you, help you out in achieving your goals, your dreams in your life. So watch this video till the end, and yes, if you like this video, do share it with your family and friends and do comment if you have any questions. So without any further ado, let's get started with this topic. Every thought that we create is a feeling. So whatever I'm thinking right now, it's actually converting into a feeling. So let's say I'm eating an ice cream, one of my favorite flavors. I'm eating an ice cream. What is my feeling right now? I'm happy. But unfortunately, as I was eating, I dropped that ice cream into the floor. Now, what is my feeling? It changed instantly from happiness to sadness, from happy to sad, from positivity to negativity. So every thought which we are creating inside our mind is converting it into a feeling. That feeling will change into an attitude. So earlier I was talking about just an example. Now I'm talking about our life, our daily routine, our lifestyle. Whatever thought that we are creating is converting into a feeling, and that feeling now is converting into an attitude. Because what is the definition of an attitude? It's a settled way of thinking or feeling about something. What you are thinking right now, what you are feeling right now, that defines your attitude. And whatever attitude we have is converting into an action. What actions are we taking in our life? It totally depends upon our attitude. See, everything is correlated. So bear with me right now. Now, your action, whatever you're doing on a daily basis, is converting into a habit. And your daily habits is changing into your personality. People know you according to your personality. And that personality, at the end, is your destiny. So all these things are related with each other. And the crux is, it totally depends upon your thought. One single thought can change your destiny. Now, if a thought is positive, your destiny will be towards your success, towards your goals, towards your desire, towards your dream. But if that thought is negative, it can crush your dreams, it can crush your goals, it can crush you. You understand what I'm trying to say? If you cannot, just rewind the entire video and watch it again. You will understand it better now. Whatever we are thinking right now is converting into a feeling. That feeling is changing into an attitude. That attitude is actually making us do a lot of actions. Good or bad, totally depends upon our thoughts. That action is changing our life into a habit, and that habit is converting our personality. And that personality defines our destiny. How many people will agree with me that in their surrounding, there's always a person whom they are attracted to. They feel a positive vibe and they're instantly attracted towards them and they want to talk to them. You know, because all of these things, because they have a positive thought process. And same goes with a negative person. There will always be a negative person out there which you want to avoid all the time because you feel the negative vibe from them. Because they have a negative thought process. As simple as that. Now, who you want to be, a positive person or negative person, that totally depends upon your thought process. That is the way, that is how actually our life runs. And why I'm talking about in this topic, in this law of attraction topic, because we can change our thought process. How? By faking it. Fake it till you make it. I hope you have heard this phrase. You got to fake your thought. In any case, if you're feeling negative, if you're feeling bad, you can change it instantly. Just like that. And when you change that negative thought into a positive and you are focusing on that positive thought, believe me, you will erase all the negativity and that will push you towards your dreams, towards your goal, towards the ladder of success. Now, if you ask me how I'm going to fake it till I make it, well, I have already made a video out it about visualization. Like I've said it before, visualization is a part of law of attraction, a very important technique that will help us out in becoming a better person to achieve our dreams, our goals. So watch this video. The links will be up or down below. Do watch this video after completing this video, and believe me, this will help you out in understanding the entire process of law of attraction. I will try to make more videos, video series on this subject called law of attraction. So as you're watching this video, I'm sure there are going to be two kind of people right now, one positive, one negative. The positive person right now will be thinking that this information is very important. I will understand this information and will implement this in my life so that I can be a better person. And the negative person will be thinking right now, this is bullshit. Law of attraction never works. It can never change my life. My destiny has already been written. Nothing can change. I cannot change everything in my life. I cannot achieve everything in my life. My friend, both of the persons are right. It's my job to make you understand one topic, one subject. Now it totally depends upon your perspective, your thought process, how you're going to take it, positively or negatively. That totally depends upon you. Like I've said earlier, it totally depends upon your thought that can define your destiny. If you're taking it in a very positive way, your destiny will be towards your goal, towards your dream, towards your destination of success. While the negative person will unfortunately never able to achieve their dreams. So it's like a gravity. What is gravity? If I throw something from here, it will fall down on the ground. It will not float in the air. If a person jumps from the top of the building, he's gonna fall. He's not a Superman. Superman is just a comics, right? In our life, he's gonna fall no matter what. That is called law of gravity. It really doesn't matter if you believe in gravity or not. Gravity works. Same goes with the law of attraction. It really doesn't matter if you think it is right or wrong. It will work. It's working right now. It totally depends upon you. If you think that it's working, then it will work for you. If you think it's not working, it will never work for you. This law is always working. If you believe it, then it's perfectly fine. If you don't, it really doesn't matter because it's working. So I hope that you understand this topic, and I hope from now on you're going to implement this in your life so that you can have a really positive thought process in your mind, and that can help you out in becoming a better person so that you can achieve all your goals in your life. So do let me know in the comment section what you feel. If you like this video, then do give me a big like, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaiibhav Nigam. Till then, I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.